Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Hudson. The first thing you need to do is type your first and last name. Now, this assignment goes with our lesson 7 from Knowledge, where we learned about Buddhism. So you're going to have to take the information you learned about Buddhism and also think about the information you learned about Hinduism. I am going to read sentences for you, and you decide if the sentence is talking about Hinduism or if it's talking about Buddhism. The first one, this religion is based on the teachings of Siddhartha. Is it Hinduism or Buddhism? I'll read it one more time. This religion is based on the teachings of Siddhartha. Hinduism or Buddhism? The next question. This religion has many gods. Hinduism or Buddhism? Again, this religion has many gods. Hinduism or Buddhism? The next one. The Ganges River is a holy place for this religion. Hinduism or Buddhism? Again, the Ganges River is a holy place or a special place for this religion. Hinduism or Buddhism? This religion is based on the Four Noble Truths. Hinduism or Buddhism? Again, this religion is based on the Four Noble Truths. Hinduism or Buddhism? Next question. Important figures in this religion are Shiva, Brahma, and Vishnu. Hinduism, Buddhism? Again, important figures in this religion are Shiva, Brahma, and Vishnu. Hinduism or Buddhism? Now that you've completed all the questions, please make sure you hit submit and return to class. Thank you.